Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to the studio. How is everyone keeping? I went to the art store yesterday to replenish some of my supplies and I found something essential, something that I had to buy. So this is it, guys. I know many of you have seen my St. Petersburg plastic watercolor kit. I've had it for the last 4 years, since 2016 when I went to St. Petersburg. I bought this at the Rapid Academy and I think I've replenished the colors several times, close to at least 10 times. This thing has been with me through thick and thin. And I think, yep, time to replace this. I went into the art store and I found this. Lo and behold. It is also a 12 color pen, but this one is made out of metal. Yep, very sturdy, a little bit more heavy. So the first time I was introduced to this white nights was when I was in Russia, St. Petersburg. Nevskaya Palitra, also affectionately known as St. Petersburg paints, carries this series called White Nights. They're watercolors and it comes in plastic, metal and wooden box sets. These watercolors also come in tubes. So what this color is a mauve metal box, sort of like a light lilac-y matte pleasant color, yeah. So these come in 12 full pens, 21 or 35, and it has a little metal piece here for your thumb. So this is the standard metallic box that you'd find. We're gonna add the colors here later. I'm just so excited to use this new watercolor box. There's more mixing space. So first up, let's weigh both watercolor kits to see what the difference is. So this one feels like it's about 4/5 the size of this. It's smaller breadth wise, but a tad bit longer. Let's weigh the one that I used to have. The plastic one weighs about 100 grams. The metal watercolor kit weighs about nearly 200 grams. So it's double the weight of this. Not too bad. I thought it feels a lot heavier. Let's set this one aside. And let's try out the new colors for this one. So let's whip out the colors. So the colors are cadmium lemon, cadmium yellow medium, ochre light, red ochre, cadmium red light, carmine, cobalt azure blue, ultramarine, emerald green, sap green, burnt umber and nymph black. So before I put the colors in here, because I'm not sure whether I'm gonna use these colors just yet, I just want to try them out so that everyone gets to see what they look like, because I still have some more colors that have not been used up yet from my older pack. Here we go, guys. First one up is cadmium lemon. Next one up is cadmium yellow medium. Next one up is ochre light. This next one is a red ochre. Followed by a cadmium red light. And this is new for me, Carmine. Cobalt Azure Blue. And of course ultramarine. I've tried that before. In fact, I do have it right now in my old pack. So I'm gonna continue using that one. And the next, emerald green. And a sap green. This one is a burnt umber, followed by lamp black. Don't really use black, but ooh, nice one. So there you have it, guys. All the colors from the new pack. And I just did this so that you guys can see what it looks like. I'm not gonna use all of them. In fact, I'm gonna continue using the rest of my pens until I'm finished with them before using these new ones. I really like some of these colors over here. They look very chromatic. So once again, these are the colors that you will find when you purchase the latest White Nights watercolor pen metallic box. I hope you enjoyed this really quick video. I'm really excited to use this. So wherever you are, guys, continue to make art, or if you're just here to enjoy art, continue to enjoy the videos that I'll be rolling out, guys. And until the next episode, ciao ciao. And guys, I forgot to mention this. Obviously this will sit very nicely in here. There we go. It's a little bit heavier, but it's a lot more comfortable when I slot it in there. So thanks guys for watching. Remember, if you enjoy this, do consider being a patron on my Patreon page. This is Alvin Mark signing off from the studio. Until the next one, guys. Ciao ciao.